Hey, Space Guy. Today I'm doing a how-to on how to build a doorbell. Seriously, Jeffrey. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go going to get iron door. We're gonna put it right there. Or whatever slot. Then you're gonna get redstone note block. And second of all, you are going to you're going to need what is it? A repeater. So what you're going to do?
Do you eat hot dogs, Aiden?
Yeah.
Right.
And you also, and you also just need any type of block. I'm just gonna use
Iron block, iron block, iron block.
No, wait, use.
I'm gonna be using
No,
just.
Russell, use iron because space person.
I'm just gonna be using like iron, I guess, because like I'm a space person, so I'm just like space guy.
I'm just like space
Here's
guy.
iron. So you can use any block you'd like to do this. So what you're gonna do
I
is you're
really
gonna
need to watch this.
place the iron door down. Get and then you're going to just place another iron block right here. And you can use this for a house, anything you like. Now, wait, oh, I forgot the button. Sorry about that, guys. Let me go get it. And now I'm stupid.
Don't put it right next to the door because then it'll just open the door.
0010
Get. No,
Right, so eventually you should do a thing on how to build a rocket ship.
I'm not going to do that.
You're a space guy.
So now I'm going to place a button one block away from the door. Yeah. I am going to, so just in the behind, put a note block right there. Actually, yeah. So like it will make it sound like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay, 617 West Oakdale.
I'm gonna do it high.
It's across from Caesar's. Alright. Okay, thanks.
What the heck just happened? Oh, sorry about that, guys. I can be stupid. I can be stupid.
I'm pretty sure they can see your face.
So,
In about 2.5 hours, Jeffrey guys gonna eat, and then 2.5 hours you're gonna go.
Yes, Cam.
Yeah. Don't eat in the living room, Russell. We've beaten people to death for that.
place the button down. Now, and it should make a high sound like that. You can use any note that you want with it. So, up to you.
Wait. Like.
Yes.
Wait.
Like that.
No, but you should make it like repeat. Put a
It does
redstone repeater because then it's ding dong.
It's fine. Okay.
That makes it better.
So, now, this redstone underneath that. What the?
You move with those, remember?
Yeah. Okay. That is, yeah, that's gonna go. that redstone is gonna go right there. I hope this works. If it does, I'm sorry about this.
If it does, you're sorry.
If it doesn't, if this does not work, I'm sorry about this.
If it works, I'm
I'll get-
sorry.
I'll just figure it out. So, nope, the redstone did not go on. Wait a sec.
I know how to fix it.
Yeah, thank you. Jeffrey, can you get some? Wait a sec.
I don't like this game.
Yes. Yay! Say goodbye.
That's how to build a doorbell.
Yay!
Ding dong.
Yeah, that's how you build a
No, but you
doorbell.
can use